Well, hello, and welcome back to another Dollar Tree Finds videos. And today, we are on the hunt for new hits and old favorites. Let's go. Okay, you guys, I just want to point out, I have to do it, you guys. You remember last year when I found these beautiful sunglasses, I had to point them out to you guys. But just so you know, if you missed getting your pairs, they still have some. I'm seeing some of the favorites out again this year, and these are dang cute. I love these, and these are still at the $1.25, so you could also use those as party favors, but just letting you know, they do still exist. Okay, this is too dang cute. What in the world? So this, if I'm not mistaken, is a drink holder, okay? Now it's got its little strap there, so you can kind of wear it like a purse or bag or whatever. I'm trying to set it down. You guys know I'm doing this one-handed. That's where the straw comes up. That is too cute. It's like a little camera that is shaped like a drink. Now this must be part, let me show you guys, of that same series. Because you remember when we saw the kind of, what is this, like a popsicle? And then the little straw is right there. I'm loving what they're doing with these. Let me see if there's any different ones that we haven't seen. So here's another camera, just of the different color. But I really, really love that. These are dang cute. Let me know if you guys would be picking these up. Okay, you guys, now I know graduation is about that time. And this is my first time seeing this, but this is a confetti cannon. It's a 12 color cannon. It's like that, where you pull the string and then that pops out. And I think this is dang cool for your little graduations, your graduations, parties, ways to celebrate. These are $3. And I don't know. I think that's really cute. Do you know what else I'm seeing? And I have no idea how much these are, but they've got these delightful little kind of balloon columns. Like, look at this one. You seeing that? The graduation balloon column. Let me see what it looks like in the back. Okay. Yeah, I'm seeing a couple of these different ones. I do not know what the price is on these, because you guys know how it is. I'd have to find one of those price scanners, and I'm not sure if this store has it, but I do think these kind of balloon setups are cute. Very good deal if they're like $3 to $5. It'd be better if they were $1.25, but I highly doubt that. Let's see if we can find anything else. Okay, now I don't usually point out the graduation cups, but I think this is super, super classy. It's hats off to the grad. And again, whenever I see cups like this, I just think this is a great way to maybe even give like a little gift kind of cup to your new graduate, like get a really good pin, slip it into here with some other different things that the grad might really love. I think that's really super cute. Let's see what these other ones are. You did it! I love that one too. That is a very cute cup. You know, you can always gift money. you can always shove some money into this. And then this one is cool. 1 degree hotter. Oh, I love that. And just so you guys know, these cups are $1.50. Part of the grad collection. Okay, so of course they have begun to put out the Patriotic magic. Check this little thing out. Now we've seen this disco ball drink sipper before, but I've never seen it with this delicious little cowboy hat on it. Super, super cute. And it looks like these are $1.50. And I see it with that blue hat, and then I also see it with the red hat. That is very cute. That is a dang cute cup. And then they have a bunch of different cups that I have seen throughout the different years. Now, I don't know about if I've seen this one, but this is really cute. Very cool. It almost reminds me of like one of those bomb pops that we used to get back in the day. It's kind of got that ombre. Isn't that cute? Yeah. Very, very nice. And I think, again, these are all $1.50. So that's nice. I just wanted to draw you guys' attention to how cool these are. Now, I am really loving the drink dispensers that Dollar Tree keeps coming out with. Now, this one is shaped like a star, and similar to the other ones, it has a cup set in there, and then this is the beautiful spigot. These are $5 a piece, and I see, let me see, another one. Super cool, super cool. Sorry, guys, and I think that's just dang darling, right? Especially with the holidays coming up, you go ahead and you get your little drink going on in here. You've got your red, white, and blue, very freaking patriotic. And guess what else I'm seeing? This is cute. Okay, so I think it must say, oh, there it is on the front, USA. And it is kind of a little snack box that has the bowls inside. in the red, white, and blue. And that is dang cool. And I think this is $3. So again, some really, really nice stuff that they're putting out right now. Check these out, you guys. You know, I always like to swing by the party section and check out the party favors. And since we were already looking at different glasses, look at these. So this is a 4-pack. I think this is at the $1.25. But again, in terms of party favors, look at these cute little glasses. These would be cute even for an adult party, if I'm being honest. I can think of a couple of adults who would definitely put these on. But just letting you guys know that they have definitely jumped fully back into summer. Okay, you guys, just finding more stuff that I'm not sure I've seen before. But look at these. Now, obviously, I've seen a lot of the wine glasses before. This is a set of 2. And I do believe that these came up to $2. But what I was kind of drawing my attention to was that the stem on these is different than what I think I've seen in the past. And I think that that's really, really cute and kind of takes it to another level. But you guys let me know what you think. Let me see if I can get you guys a little closer. Super cute. Check this out. I think this is my first time seeing this, you guys. I got to pull it down. This is a paper awning. Are we seeing this? Let me turn it around. You guys know I'm doing this one-handed. Why is that cool to me? So is this for like little parties or something? Or you're trying to get yourself a little shade? But ultimately, it is a 10 by 24 by 7.5 inch paper awning. Let me know if you guys have seen these before, because this is my very first time seeing that. Oh my goodness, you guys, the storage they have been putting out has got me in a choke hold. Now look at this 4-piece Mickey Mouse meal prep container set. So let me get my hands on it here so we can actually get a look at it. So it's like a 2-section situation, but then it's got this really cute Mickey Mouse top on it. And I don't know, is it $1.50? I'm seeing that down here. Now I see the Lilo and Stitch one. Very cute. And that's that kind of blue. Same set of 2 kind of compartments. And then I'm seeing the Teenage Mutant Ninja. Oh, this is so nostalgic, you guys. Oh, I love that. And that's green. Oh no, this is so cool. I love this. And then the Smurf one. Oh, very cute. Very cute. And so basically it's 2 sets, 4 pieces. So you get 2 of the compartments and 2 lids. For $1.50, you guys, that is dang cute. Dang cute. Let me know if you guys have seen these at your store. Okay, see, this is why you gotta look in the party section sometimes, because look at this, you guys. So basically, this is one of those flag banners. Get up so you guys can see it, okay? But look at the print. Do you guys kind of see the cutout? And it's sturdy. So each one of these is almost like a sturdy cardboard. I can think of DIYs. I can think of DIYs. Now, to my knowledge, I think these are $1.25. If this is true, let me look down. I see $1.25 listed there. So if that is true, these are impressive for that price. I'm really loving those. Yes. First, these are $1.25. We just had that confirmed, you guys. These are beautiful. I can't even believe this as a DIYer. There's so much that we can do with that. I love that. Oh my goodness, you guys. I was on my way out, and guess what I saw? Guess what I saw? Look at these chargers. Do you guys see that kind of honeycomb pattern on the outside? I love these. Wait. These are all just $1 right now, you guys. Is that serious? Oh my goodness, you guys, I had just a complete brain situation because they're claiming that this entire bee themed set right now is just $1, including this delightful charger. Let me know if your store is doing this, you guys. Let me know if your store is doing this, because this is a heck of a deal. This is like going back to the original days, right? If you guys see this and this deal is on, you might want to consider snatching it up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Did you spy something that got your creative juices going? Make sure to put that in the comments. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, have a good rest of your day.